The Eastern Conference Final shifts to South Florida with Game 3 tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern. And after Florida took the first two games in overtime, I see little reason to get away from hammering the team of destiny, our Florida Panthers. I tried to warn you last week about betting Matthew Tkachuk for Conn Smythe at plus 700. Well, guess what? That number is now down to plus 350 after Tkachuk scored the overtime winner in both Game 1 and Game 2. He's the best player on the ice for either team, and once again, he's been the difference in the playoff series. Don't overthink this. We'll parlay Tkachuk 3+ shots in regulation with the Panthers on the money line at plus 140. Be sure to check out the comments below for a special offer from our friends at Fantasy Alarm.